Hi everyone, Namaste. Welcome back to Home is Where Your Heart is All About. I'm Vidu. Before starting this week's prep, I'm first checking what's left in the fridge and freezer from last week, making a simple meal plan, prepping a few basics, and then arranging everything to make the week a little easier. So, here are the veggies for this week. Starting this week's breakfast prep with easy homemade premixes. To prepare smoothies freezer pack, I've taken bananas, dates, mangoes. I'll chop them and keep in the freezer. On busy mornings, just take them out from the freezer, add it in a mixie container, blend them well and serve. It's absolutely delicious and healthy. Next, I'm preparing a healthy Sattu drink premix. I've taken 2 cups of Sattu, 1 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, black salt, little black pepper powder, salt as per taste. Mix them all well and keep it in an airtight container. In the mornings, just add in 2 tables of Sattu powder, water, lemon juice, and here we have a high protein drink ready. To prepare Ragi premix, you have taken 2 cups of ragi flour, half cup jaggery powder, 1 tablespoon cardamom powder. Mix them all well and keep it in an airtight container. Easy way to prepare ragi drink in the mornings. In a pan, take some water, add in the ragi flour, blend well, bring it to a boil, add in milk and serve them in individual glasses. I had soaked some dals in the night and now I am boiling them in my electric cooker. Beside, I am preparing the Kadhai masala. Here I have taken 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon jeera seeds, 5 to 6 dry red chilies, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, salt half a teaspoon. Roast them all well and keep aside. Now for the pickle masala, I have taken 2 tablespoons of black mustard seeds, 2 tablespoons of methi seeds. Dry roast them well and once they splutter, transfer them in a plate. Now I'm chopping onion and tomatoes to prepare the gravy which I'll be using in the dal and curry in the week. As onion gravy is getting cooked in a kadhai, I'm chopping all the veggies for the week. Once the onion tomato mixture is ready, I'll allow it to cool and the meanwhile I'll be grinding the masalas and keeping them in an airtight container. When the masalas are done, I'll wipe the container, add in the onion tomato mixture, grind it well and place them in individual containers. I had some leftover Rajma from last week, so I'm going to blend it along with soya chunks and keep it aside. I'm also preparing the green chutney for the week. Now I'm preparing the mango pickle. In a kadhai, I've taken some oil, black mustard seeds, red chilies, hing powder. I'll off the flame, add in some turmeric powder, and now I'm going to add in the grated raw mango. To it, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon prepared pickle masala we had made earlier, 1 tablespoon of jaggery powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix them well, allow it to cool a little and then we'll transfer it in an airtight container. Here we have instant mango thokku ready for the week. Leftover pickle masala, you can store them in the airtight container. You can use them up to 3 months. And now time to label all the jars. Let's prepare the high protein kebabs for the week. To the prepared Rajma soya chunk mixture, here I am adding some Sattu powder, red chili powder, salt, black pepper. Going to mix them well. We'll prepare them as patties. Keep them in the container and I will store them in the freezer. So whenever I want to make them, I will just take them out, thaw them, and I'll prepare it. You can have it for brunch. Best in the evening when the kids wants to have some snack, you can give them, as it's the full high protein and very filling. This week I had got paneer from the shop, so here I am making into two parts. One I'll be using for the salad and one I'll be using in my Kadhai paneer. Gugni, I have just soaked them in the water and I'm going to place them in the freezer. And yeah, everything is ready for the week now. And having a simple meal plan always helps make busy days feel a little more manageable. I hope this gives you some simple meal prep inspiration. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more realistic meal prep and easy homemade ideas. See you in the next video.